Hello everyone. So today we need to take the top off Steven's Jeep and dry it out. Last week we went for a drive and took the top off, and then we got home and the next day it decided to rain, and it rained really good for all day. And I went out and put just the top back on but didn't get the windows on, so the inside is kind of wet. It's supposed to be nice in the 90s for the next couple of days, so we're going to take the top off and check out how much water's in it. And for the most part, it should just dry out. The sun does really good. There are spots in the tub that you can take caps out and let the water drain, but there's not that much water. It's just soaked into the carpet. He has neoprene covers on the seat, so they should be fine. They'll, probably already dried, but if you don't dry out the carpets and let the sun dry it out, or use a shop vac or something, they can build some mold. So we're gonna go ahead, remove the top, and then we'll check out how much water's in it, and let the sun start to dry it out. So in order to take the top completely off, we have to take this Torx head screw out, and then we'll remove the arms, the whole frame. Then we can remove everything out of the back, check to see how much water's in there, what it looks like, check and empty out the back seat, and just let it dry out for a few hours in the sun, and everything should be fine. Should come right off of there pretty easily. Do the other side the same way. And then they just pop out just like that. remove everything out the back of here and just check the carpet. Hold up, like see how much water's underneath it. Move the bench or the rear seat. Do the same thing. If you look at the carpet, you can see some water in a couple of spots. If you pull it up and look underneath it, you can, it's damp all along the edge there, and the pad, you can see. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the rear seat out, and then we can fold that pad up, or the carpet up, and let it dry underneath it, and let the pad on the bottom dry as well. All of these Wranglers have fold and tumble rear seats. Getting them out is as easy as lifting up on the latch, pushing it forward, and then pulling the bottom up from the back, and then it'll just slide backwards and then lift it out. Now the rear seat is out. It's kind of dirty in there, needs a good vacuuming as well, but we'll go ahead, take the carpet, fold it forward. I think it's just this back area behind where the seat was. So we can lay this out. Just wet back to there, it looks like. Dry past that. Let's check the front piece real fast. Yeah, it's dry under there. It's been wet in the past, but it's dry currently. So we'll just fold this piece forward and allow it to dry. Once that's dry, we'll just go ahead and vacuum it out real good and put it all back together.